What's wrong with Buddhism? Why it is not? What is speciality of 16? See, there are 108 prominent gopis in Krishna's circle of rasa dance. Also, there are 108 Upanishads, which are most prominent and glorified. So, when you chant Hare Krishna, this beads, it is like mastering all the 108 Upanishads, even without reading them. Can you imagine? The names are so powerful, you get the essence of all the Upanishads, the realization by only chanting Krishna's names. Therefore, we chant 108. And what is the specialty of 16 rounds? Actually, 16 rounds comes to 25,000 names total. One name means Hare Krishna, Hare, one name. So, how many letters, how many words we have? So, 16 words, and then if you multiply it by 108 and then by 16, it will come to how many names? 25,000 names. So, 25,000 names, actually, one of the Puranas says that if somebody chants 25,000 names, their mind will be completely calm, cool and collected, and their senses will not be agitated. So, Prabhupada actually wanted, in Prabhupada's Guru, Bhaktivinoda Thakur was keeping many standards. He said those who are pujaris and have a lot of free time, they will chant 64 rounds. And there are other devotees who are more sevas, they will chant 32 rounds. There were devotees chanting 16. And some devotees are told to chant 4. So he had many standards. But Prabhupada made one uniform standard in ISKCON for all. How many rounds? 16 rounds he made for all. So Prabhupada said not less than this. Minimum 16 he said.